Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope you are doing absolutely well. In today's video, I will show you exactly how to get the replay tool for free on TradingView in 2026 so that you can backtest your strategies without paying. Now guys, if you are interested in purchasing the TradingView subscription, you can just check out the link of this Black Friday deal in the description. In this deal, you are going to get up to 80% off on all of the subscriptions at TradingView. Plus, you will get additional 1 month absolutely for free. So if you are interested, make sure that you hurry because only one day left. Now, in order to get the free replay tool in TradingView to backtest, you need to first of all come here on tradingview.com, then log into your account first if you haven't already. Over here, click on the option of products or click on the option of this search icon here on the top, and you need to simply first of all load any of the chart which you want to basically backtest. Now here, before using the replay option, you need to make sure that your account is visible over here because the free plan still going to give you the partial access to this particular feature. Now here on the top, you will see the replay option. So once you click on the option of replay, you are going to see this type of blue line in front of you. So over here, you just have to go back on the chart. Then you just have to click on that particular date and the time at which you want to basically uh, take a look at the chart and from where you want to start back testing. As you can see, I'm currently using the basic plan and the replay feature is clearly visible here. So as you can see, we are here in the past on this chart. With the help of this forward option, you can click on it and you can take a look at the candles moving. You can also click on this play icon so that it automatically plays the data in front of you. Over here, you can change the replay tool settings by clicking on this option. You can increase or decrease its speed as per your need. Here you are also going to see the option of update interval. So by default, it is set on 1 day, but you can also select it to 1 hour or 2 hours or 4 hours. Then we have the option of jump to the real-time chart. So if you are done with backtesting, you can just simply click on this option and the replay bar will come here just like so. So you can just simply jump to the real-time chart and start backtesting the real chart as well. So here, this way you will be able to get free replay tool in TradingView to backtest your strategy. So if you are interested, you can also purchase the premium subscription, and with that, even if you purchase the essential one, you will get the replay feature with all of the additional features that it provides you. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you give this video a like and subscribe to the channel. Also drop a comment if you have any questions in mind. Thanks for watching.